Hi, I'm Beth Wagerovich, Extension Educator from Michigan State University Extension. I'm going to discuss cleaning and sanitizing in your kitchen. What's the difference between cleaning and sanitizing, and why is it important? Cleaning is the removal of dirt and germs and other impurities from the surface. We usually use dish soap and water. Sanitizing refers to using chemicals to kill germs on surfaces. Bleach is an effective sanitizer. Sanitizer kills germs on a surface after you clean it, so it can further lower the risk of spreading infection. An effective sanitizer is a mixture of chlorine, bleach, and water. At this time, due to the novel coronavirus, CDC recommends using 4 teaspoons of bleach to 1 quart of water. So I'm using a measuring spoon. And then I will add my water. It's important to label your bottle of bleach and water so that everyone knows that there is a bleach solution in the container. It's important to make a new solution every day because the sanitizer concentration will decrease over time. And again, it's important to measure correctly because too little bleach in the water is ineffective and too much can be dangerous. Use a disinfecting bleach. It does say disinfecting on the label right here. There are 4 steps to cleaning and sanitizing. First, you wash the surface using dish detergent and water. Next, you're going to rinse the surface. So I'm rinsing my dishcloth. Get rid of the soap. I'll rinse it off. And then I will spray with my sanitizer solution. And you should allow that to air dry. It's important to clean and sanitize every day if you have sick people in your house. Also, clean and sanitize your countertops after putting away groceries from the grocery store. So where you put your grocery bags on the countertop, you want to clean and sanitize that. And most importantly, you want to wash your hands often. For more information, you can go to the Michigan State University Extension website and look under Food and Health. Thanks.